everyone, my name's Annette and welcome back to Cottoverdi. Today is day 13 of Vlogmas and we're inside again because it is pouring with rain. I cannot believe the weather this December. I think because I wanted to video every day in the garden, it's just not happening for me. So today we're doing two projects inside. The first one is I'm going to be embossing some copper name tags for my plants that I have recently invested in. The second thing I wanted to show you today were some seeds that have arrived. Now these seeds are quite close to my heart because I really bought them just to help somebody. So Erin from Florette Flower Farm a while ago recommended buying some clematis seeds from a lady called Alla who lives in Ukraine, and I thought, oh, I'd love to grow clematis because I love clematis, and I didn't actually realise that I personally could grow them from seed. So pretty much as soon as Erin recommended these seeds from Alla, I ordered them because I wanted to help Alla because of the war in Ukraine, and I really felt like I was in a situation where there wasn't a lot that I could do. I'm not really able to go over there and help, and I didn't want to just only give money to charities, you know, which is a really good thing to do, but it was really nice to know that I could help somebody personally. And so I bought a bunch of seeds, and I've also bought a book, a beautiful, beautiful ebook that she has written herself during this war. It's absolutely incredible. But the reason that this is particularly pertinent today is because yesterday, on Tuesday, Erin released the first of her documentaries on her YouTube channel about other people, and the first one is about Alla, and it's so touching and so moving to see what Alla has been capable of doing during the war and how she's helping her family. And it means even more to me that I bought these seeds and I bought the ebook. Now I know we can't all do this and times are tight, but I am able to do it. And I wanted to show you the seeds because they are really cute. They're so beautiful. I would definitely be making a video showing you how I sow these seeds and obviously the plants when they germinate. I'm really hoping I have some success because I'm very, very excited. Anyway, I just really wanted to show you the seeds and bring to your attention, you know, this lady called Alla who's supporting her family by gardening and collecting and selling seeds and writing an ebook during the war. And if there's any chance that you could help her out, I will be putting the link firstly to Erin's documentary below in the description, but also I'll put the link to Alla's website, and please do have a look and support her if you can. So these are the beautiful seeds that I ordered, and I just think each one of them is so cute. Every packet is beautifully packaged and labelled. The ebook has such comprehensive information about clematis and about how to propagate them and grow them and about how to sow the seeds. I think it's incredible that by treating myself to these seeds, look how different they all are. I'm able to help a family in a war zone. And to think that Alla has been able to, you know, package them even and print labels for them and then post them, and the postal system worked, and I think it's incredible what she's managed to achieve in a war zone. So these are the embossing stamps I bought. I went for 4mm embossing stamps. They come in different sizes. I did a little bit of research, and what I found was that if you emboss the back of the nameplate, the embossing is raised and it's easier to read than if the embossing is indented, which kind of makes sense. These, by the way, just slot onto these stakes here, and they'll be at a slight angle because this is bent, which is really nice. This is just a cover, so we peel the cover off. It's a protective cover, and this is actually just metal. It's not real copper, so it's not actually going to tarnish. I'm hoping that they're good enough quality that the copper is not going to wear off or anything, but it's actually just, it's metal, it's not solid copper or anything like that. Because I'm embossing the back of the nameplates, I had to get reverse embossing tools, because if I embossed with ordinary embossing, I had to get reverse embossing pins or whatever they're called. if I embossed with normal ones, the lettering would all be backwards when I turned it around. I hope that makes sense. And then the other thing that I got was I got a hammer. It's quite a weighty little hammer because you do need something weighty. And I've also got some of this quite narrow masking tape. And the masking tape is good for two reasons. Firstly, it's important to hold the plate steady so your lines are straight, but also the masking tape will help me to have straight lines. So you'll see that I'm using a crafting mat. I'm going to do Boscobel, I think, one of my roses. So I'll get the letters out that I need. So not only do you have to have reverse letters, but also we have to remember to start from this side so that when we turn it over, we're reading left to right. And I've discovered that holding it with the letter towards you is then the letter will be the right way round. So I'm going to start over here because I think that's kind of where it's going to be. And I'm just lining it up with the red tape. And then what I've discovered is I have to hit it quite hard and a couple of times. So. Okay, so that's B. So you do have to hold it quite steady. So, they're not all going to be perfect, that's for sure. That is my Boscobel. But I'm really happy with that. I wish I could go and put it out in the garden, but unfortunately, it's raining. But that's it for today. I really hope you've had fun watching me embossing my copper name tags. If at all possible, do go and visit Ella's website and support her if you can. I know that it's a big ask, but it would be wonderful to know that we are supporting somebody specifically and helping a family out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all tomorrow.